In this video, I will show you how you can create text portrait effect in Photoshop. Create duplicate layer. Go to Filter menu and select Gaussian blur. The value of Gaussian blur is 10 pixels. Save this file. No need of this layer, so delete it. Select Type tool. Type your text. Change the text color to black. Now, go to Filter menu and select Distort, Displace. Follow the setting. Choose the map file that we have saved and press Open this time. Select background layer and convert it into normal layer. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Select the black color and press OK. Put the image layer into top. Create clipping mask. Create duplicate layer. Release clipping mask. Now, hold the Alt button and click on Add Layer Mask option. Select the brush tool and inverse the mask. Always check the foreground color. Follow the setting. For more Photoshop and AI tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.